What's up, friends? Welcome to another episode of Tech and Trends with Temba Robin, that's me. And as you guys know, on this platform, we look at everything from tech to trends, what's interesting and happening in the world that we live in. And one thing that is interesting that's happening today is I have a very cool guy in studio with me, Trishen Naidoo, the brainchild, the thinker-upper, and the creator of a website and platform called Mkt Place.
How's it, Temba? Good to be here.
What is Mkt Place?
Mkt Place is a safe e-commerce platform focusing on second-hand goods but also new items, whereby someone can go on and buy a product, arrange delivery and arrange payment all in one place. So as a seller, first-time seller, there will be a vetting process which is reasonably quick or relatively quick. You would need to upload your ID, proof of residence and a bank confirmation. So once that's verified, it usually happens up within a maximum of 24 to 36 hours. In reality, it's normally done within 8 to 10 hours. You can then list a product on the website. And what I've tried to also do is create guidelines for sellers loading products. And how I do that is by guiding sellers through things as simple as details, shipping dimensions, as well as descriptions and photos. So as an example, at least 2 photos are compulsory. That's the front and the back of a product. And then I call value added photos. Maybe a picture of the receipt where you bought it, a picture of the barcode. What's communicated to buyers is then very, very accurate. The ad is verified before it's loaded on. If there's an issue with the ad, I then communicate with the seller to fix it before it's approved.
Tells, even though I'm vetted and I've done that whole process.
That's 100% it. Or a picture photo's blurry or...
What happens for the buyer? What sort of USPs have you built in to make the buyer feel safe and enhance their experience?
So buyer's vetting is very simple. They register with your normal contact details on the website. They're given an account. They log on. You can search by keyword and or category. You find the product you need, add it to your cart. Anonymity is key, so both the seller and buyer are anonymous to each other, and each seller is given a randomly generated seller ID or seller number. You go to checkout, courier cost is automatically calculated based on the product dimensions. You're then given the choice to choose between courier guy and cargo. Then move into the payment part of it. We partnered with Netcash, so you've given multiple options, including one which I'm very excited about. PayFlex is also included. So now you as a consumer have the ability to buy on terms using PayFlex. And I mean items, especially some of your rarer or larger car spares and electronics, I mean, they're costly items. Not everyone can afford them. So I've sort of created this environment that hopefully addresses all of the comments and issues I've had raised both by myself as well as other buyers and sellers that I know.
In terms of who you're looking for, it's a buyer's market. Is there an opportunity for a seller on the platform?
I think part of the opportunity here is to formalize that second-hand items market, starting with car spares.
We've mostly spoken about car parts, but anything and everything.
This issue exists with most items, most second-hand items. A big one was cell phones that came up. A lot of people being scammed with that. So I've included electronics on the platform. I've included kids and baby items. I think there's also a big second-hand market there. That's expensive. Kids outgrow things very quickly. So items are in very good condition and could do with a new home. Furniture is another category. So I really tried to encompass most things as well as sporting goods, especially with the new pedal. With the paddle craze as well, I've catered for
all the people that have bought paddle rackets, twisted an ankle, and now they're getting rid. So
one of them.
There we have it, ladies and gents. So if you're at home and you're thinking of selling or buying something and you've been worried about how to do it, I've been in that same position where I've just held on to something because I couldn't be bothered putting myself at risk. Maybe it's time for you to check out Mkt Place.
We're currently running a sign-on promotion last week of February, so please do go check out the website and register. The more products you list, the more entries you get into the draw, which will occur the weekend of the 1st and 2nd of March.
Alright, so even more of a reason to hang out, get registered and get selling in a safe, verified and vetted environment. Mkt Place, coming at you next.